Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to delete your Trust Wallet account permanently. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Also, before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection, whether it is stable or not. First of all, open your Trust Wallet. Just a reminder, before deleting your account, make sure to transfer all your cryptocurrency and Bitcoin into different wallet. So to delete your account, you'll have to tap on the gear icon or the settings icon in the bottom right corner. As you tap on settings icon, on the other page, you'll have to tap on wallets. Next page, tap on the three dot icon, which is right in the corner. And once again, on the other page, tap on the bin icon in the top right corner. And then there is a confirmation, and if you're sure about deleting your account, so then tap on OK. Now you'll have to enter your passcode that is associated with your Trust Wallet account. Over here you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Trust Wallet account permanently. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.